Wait till he tries to put the new one in.
Who said it's gonna be like every other project? I ain't putting it back together. I'll tow it somewhere else in the yard.
Again.
What is going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, I am Send It Steve. Today we've got my new to me 2003 Ford F350 Lariat 6.0 Super Duty turbo diesel truck repair. Now, as you do know, I do have my big old F450 sitting here. This is one of my new projects here, and again, before we get into it, the Tahoe is still going to happen. We just are waiting on parts. So this thing is something that we have parts for, or we can get. So we're just going to tear into this thing, and we're going to actually make this thing look freaking killer. So if you did not see yesterday's video, definitely check it out. You can tell I painted the calipers and the lockout hubs orange, so I can't lie, I absolutely love orange. As you can tell by my F450, orange is sort of my thing. So what we're going to do today is we're actually going to take the charge pipes off. We're going to take the 90-degree elbow off, other side charge pipes. When we get the new turbo, we're going to take the front snout housing off, and we're going to paint all of that orange as well. So without further ado, let's get the charge pipes out of here and the turbo out of here, and then I'm waiting for the guy to call me back so we can actually pick up the new used turbo. So let's just get this thing torn apart and get started on our day, basically. All right, you can see once I went ahead and disconnected that clamp, it just gushed oil out of that turbo housing. And again, the charge pipes and everything are definitely covered in oil. Look at all the oil that fell out. So I will actually show you all of that once I get down out of here. But yeah, these things must, look at it just running out of there. So this turbo must have been leaking for quite some time. Now, he did say that somebody told me these turbos, or somebody told him that these turbos were a little noisy from the factory, which to each his own. I don't believe it, but it is what it is. But a couple more bolts here and I should have this turbo out of place. I just got to take off like the oil feed, the oil return, and go ahead and disconnect it from the actual mounting bracket here. So let's just keep plugging and chugging. Just say what you guys gotta say. Go ahead.
I'm still trying to figure out what you're doing.
All right, guys. So we got the turbo out of here, obviously, as you can tell.
And I'm not signing a release either. All again.
Stay tuned. All right, so I'm over here trying to make my video, obviously, and my neighbor and my buddy Gary are over here just cackling. So I've got to persuade them with adult beverages to let me finish my video here. You guys, I need you to walk away, drink a couple beers.
Wrap it up, babe.
And we'll see you guys in a little bit. Here you go.
Why are there three?
Because he drinks faster than you do.
Oh, okay.
Plus,
Ooh.
Wow.
Keep in mind when these are done, we're coming back.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to end up hurrying this up. So stand by, guys. I'll be right back with you. All right, so they made their way over there. Now I got new gloves on and I can actually show you guys some of the damages. Now I've seen broken turbos, as you do know, by the C4 or C5 Corvette that I had. So I'm pretty well used to it, but this one's got to take the cake. So I went ahead while it was in there and I was going to split it this way, but this should split down the center and we should actually be able to see that shaft. So let me give it a couple whacks. There we go. Oh boy, parts are flying everywhere. You can tell that that shaft has just been beating that up for quite some time. Holy cow. Obviously the turbo shaft is actually broken here. You can see the fins and blades, whatever you want to call them, have been smacking that wheel for quite some time. I'm probably the reason that these came off. These probably actually were not broken off, but wow, look at the carnage in there. Holy smokes. Same with the other side. You can see that shaft just spinning in there. So even the shaft and bearings and everything are spanked on this thing. Not too big of a deal. Like I said, I've been trying to contact somebody with a used turbo here for a couple days now. He hasn't actually gotten back to me. So I'm trying to figure out which way we're gonna take this. At this point, I am going to put a used turbo back in it. I don't want to put a new one. So if anybody has an 03 turbo laying around, definitely slide in my DMs and let me know, because I'd like to get this thing back up and running sooner than later. Another thing, I'm going to actually take this apart here real quick, because I'm actually curious what it looks like. So I'm going to snap these off real quick and get you guys the inner housing look. Or I'm going to get you guys a look at the inner housing here where the blade actually rides. I will actually put some of the things that they said while I was tearing that apart in the video at the end here, but I can't put it all in there. As you can tell, some of it is not rated PG-13 like my channel. So great guys though, mean well. Gary's up here. We got to do a brake line on his truck, and those are kind of the videos that you guys don't usually see. I don't usually post when I have to do like quick brake lines and quick brake jobs and things like that. I actually did do a brake line for JP, or a brake job for JTM. I actually did do a brake line for JP MTech today too. His wife's car needed brakes before they go to the beach, and he's working doubles until they leave. So we got him all straightened out, well, her all straightened out, them all straightened out, whatever you want to call it. Man, I am babbling again like Andy from DFR. You guys like when I talk during these, like, unassembling stuff, or at least try to explain what I'm doing, or explain some of my day-to-days to you guys? Or do you just want me to speed up through it? Let me know in the comments. Sometimes it's painful to watch. Even when I'm editing, it's like frustrating to sit there and watch me tear apart something. So I'd like to fast forward it or not leave it in at all. Ooh. That actually came out real easy. You can definitely see the wear and tear on there, and you can definitely see it on the blade there. That thing is spanked. So like I said, I've been trying to communicate with the guy. Hopefully we can get a turbo for this thing within the next couple hours here, and I can get this thing tossed back in for you guys, and I'm ready to hear that 6.0 power sound. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super excited about that. I freaking love 6.0s. Everybody that knows me knows that I absolutely love 6.0s. So it's only a matter of a couple hours, hopefully, till this thing is back up and running. So stay tuned for that video. Fortunately, we can't get it thrown back together, and we can't get a startup video today. But at least you sort of see how easy it is to get these things out. It's literally 3 bolts, 1, 2, and then 1 in the back. You gotta take your exhaust clamp off. You gotta take your up pipes off, which are under your exhaust manifold. There's 2 bolts on the top of the oil feed line, and it's just 1 little sensor. Super easy. Oh, and you got to do your charge pipes. Charge pipes got to come out too. I'm trying to kill that mosquito before I get bit. But there you guys have it. Again, if you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. Oh yeah, look, I forgot to mention there is a brand new computer over there too, so I'll take that. But there you guys have it. If you like the content, smash that like button, please subscribe. And we got a bunch more 6.0 content coming. I've reached out to KC Turbos. Hopefully we can work something out with them in the meantime, because I'd love to do like a stock tuner 5-inch exhaust video, and then I'd love to do like with a KC turbo in here, stage 2 turbo, and really make some power with this thing. So there you guys have it. Again, if you like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe. I know I've said that 4 times, but take care, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Let these knuckleheads know I'm done. This is the truck we got to make brake lines on. All right, guys, we're good. I'm done with the video. Now, now I can go ahead and now I can go ahead and just roll the footage, the bloopers, and things you said.
Keep them coming.
See you guys.
Didn't know what to do.
I wanted to make sure I wasn't breaking anything.
So he saved your ass.
It's still on that clamp.
Is the long and short of it.
Oh, you're really.
I watched the whole video. He didn't say nothing about hitting it with a hammer. Not one time.
Wow. Keep in mind, guys, these gentlemen are drunk and drinking while I'm working. I was even polite and called you gentlemen and not dick bags.
I'm not even drinking.
Look how long it took him to realize that.
He's drunk!
I'm like, wait, I'm not even drinking.
Yeah.
See, the way they install the turbo in the POS edition is a little different than a normal one.
It's true.
The POS edition has about 14 screws in it.
And a couple screws.
It's probably that lag bolt.
Probably.
Yeah, the shit that he comes up.
It definitely seems like it's lagged
It's
in
probably
there.
hung up on the hemophilia. Or
Oh.
the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin, that's what it is.
Hemoflu.
Yeah.
Your hemoglobin's low, so it's stuck.
That offspring.
This turbo has preeclampsia.
Living globin. Pretty fly for a white guy.
Yeah, I'm mad you said fucking
See, it's
Damn,
it's
too.
right on that thing. You gotta
That
get it off
thing
that lip.
is just an O-ring.
Telling you.
It's no, it doesn't bolt. It's just
Dude,
a fucking O-ring.
It's caught.
I'd rather V be sitting here now. Just, at least she doesn't say shit.
It's because she's scared to get yelled at. I'm used to getting yelled at.
yeah. You want me to shoot that guy a message and
Yeah, sliding his DM.
What if you come to this
slide
side,
in his DM?
tilt it this way, and pull it out diagonally?
What if I tilt you that way? Fucking-
I'm pretty good at like doorways and stuff.
There we go.
It's the second time I've heard that.
I've already seen that position.
There we go.
I've never seen this position.
Let's try something new, sweetheart. I've already tried this position.
And that's what you said before too. There we go. She was like, that's not it.
I can't wait for Gary to fall asleep. Yeah. Yeah.
Just breaking the blocks. Good morning, everybody. This is the turbo that doesn't work.
Got it.
See, I told you it was that bolt. You missed a clamp.
You and your mom are whores. Don't worry, I'll edit all that out.
She doesn't
No, you can't. It's already rendered.
She doesn't watch your videos. I think they're good. Shit, I don't
She
even
doesn't watch your
videos.
videos. She makes different ones with you.
I watch them here and there, but I gotta be really bored.
What's up, girly whirly?
What? Yeah.
See, guys, there's no need to talk crap in the videos. We do well enough right here in person.
I'll never see that either. Actually, they will. I'll just mute that whole thing, and
Do
it'll
a
just be Gary's
voiceover.
face. I love to eat dick.
Dude, I was gonna say do a voiceover. Yeah.
Or
I
I
like
can-
to eat dick, bro.
While he's like this, I'll have like an eggplant just right in his mouth.
I love it, bro.
Unbelievable.
Give me that thing.